To pin a text message to keep it on top on the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app. Long tap the desired conversation you like to pin on top. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the bottom right. And then select pin to top. You can see that the selected conversation has been pinned on top. Given to the function, you can pin an important conversation to keep it on top of the conversation list, so you can easily find it each time you need it. Moreover, when you are the one who communicate a lot through the text messages. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.